Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're making jollof spaghetti. Guys, look at how delicious this jollof spaghetti looks. So let's get right into the video. So guys, we'll start by cooking our spaghetti. I just added some water in a pot, covered it, and I'm going to let it come to a boil. Now guys, my water has come to a boil, so I will just add some salt in it, and then I will stir the salt and the water together before I add my spaghetti. So guys, if you notice, I didn't actually break my spaghetti. I just added it like that, and I'm going to use a spoon to insert it and make sure it doesn't break. So guys, I wanted to point out that the best way to avoid your spaghetti from sticking together is overpowering or cooking with a lot of water. There's no point adding oil, just cook with a lot of water, and when you're done, you drain off the water and you find out that your spaghetti is not sticky. Guys, you see in the video once we're done. Guys, look at our spaghetti. It's not sticky and it's already ready. So this is it. I'm just going to take it out, drain the water of the spaghetti using a sieve, and I'll leave the spaghetti in the sieve. So for our sauce, I'm just going to add some vegetable oil into the pan, and then I'll add some chopped onions and some chopped garlic as well. I'm going to saute this for about a minute here, and after that I'm just sauteing it for a minute anyway. So after that, I will then introduce the next ingredient, which is our tomato paste. Now guys, I'm adding our tomato paste. I'm just going to add this and stir fry for a bit. I'm also going to add a tiny little bit of water just to loosen up the tomato paste a bit and let it fry to my preference. So guys, this is me adding just a tiny little bit of water, like I said earlier on, just to let it loosen up the tomato paste and let it fry for a bit. So after about 5 minutes, I just added some frozen cooked blended tomato blend. It's a mixture of tomatoes, red bell pepper, and some scotch bonnet pepper. So I'm just going to let this fry with our tomato paste, and once that has fried, we'll then introduce the next ingredients. So our tomato has fried now, so I will be adding some chopped liver to it. This is me just adding my chopped liver. I'm going to stir fry this for about 30 seconds, and then we will add our veggies. So guys, for our veggies, I'm using some chopped carrots. So I just added that. I'm just going to stir fry it for a bit before adding our chopped green bell pepper, guys. So guys, I'm adding some chopped green bell pepper, and I'm just going to stir fry this for about 10 seconds before I start to season. I sort of wanted my veggies to be a little bit crunchy and not cooked. So now I'm adding some coriander powder, I'm adding some curry powder, I'm adding a little bit of thyme and rosemary mixed. I'm adding some seasoning cube to it as well, and some salt. I will add some salt to it, and I'm just going to stir this and combine and ensure that all this all the ingredients are actually properly combined. So guys, our sauce is ready. So I'm just going to add a little bit of pasta water. This is the water from our cooked pasta. I'm just going to add it to our paste sauce, just to loosen up the sauce before I add our pasta into it. So now guys, I'm adding our pasta. Guys, look how non-sticky our pasta looks. It looks just, the pastas are not sticking together and I like that. So I'm just going to stir fry this for a while and I will come back to show you what our jollof spaghetti looks like. So guys, I'm still stir frying, so I just decided to add some sesame oil. Like I said guys, sesame oil are like one of my favorite oils to use when cooking. So I'm just going to add a little and I will stir fry this. Guys, I am done cooking our jollof spaghetti. Look how jollofish it looks. So thank you so much guys for supporting me and watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, leave a comment down below, hit the like button and give me a thumbs up, and also don't forget to share this video as well with your friends and family. I will see you in my next one. Bye guys.